Let's quickly compare the PetSnowy with the PetKit automatic litter boxes. Now, I was sent the PetSnowy for review and I fell in love with this litter box. I've always used manual boxes, and this automatic box makes my life so much easier. And what makes the PetSnowy amazing is that the drum that spins to clean the litter is built into it. So your cat can jump on top of it. It can go up against a wall, something can brush against it, and that's not a problem as the drum won't be impacted. It also has a litter catch inside, so litter's not tracked outside of it. It also has a built-in fan deodorizer that can run, and on top of that, it has an incredible app that will not only track which cat uses it and for how long, but it will also weigh your cats and let you know when you need to take care of the PetSnowy, like if something's wrong or if the drawer is full. Now, the PetSnowy is incredibly impressive, and if your cat is willing to use it, it is the perfect all-around litter box, as it really does everything and is fully contained. But it does have some negatives. The first one is that it is a larger footprint. It definitely takes up a little more space, and one of my cats in the end was unwilling to use this one. I originally just set up this PetSnowy with a manual litter box next to it, and I thought my ragdoll was actually using this one, but I learned he only went into it once or twice just to check it out, and then never would go into it again. He was on a complete strike. But this had spoiled me so much that I decided to get myself the PetKit Pura Max, as I read up that this litter box is great for oversized kitties like my ragdoll, and I was really hoping he'd be open to it. And I'm so glad that he is. Both my cats love this PetKit Pura Max, and this is an incredible winner in our household. What I love about the PetKit Pura Max is that it is a much smaller footprint. It has a nice inviting opening for the cats. It's very easy to clean, and it also has a great app. But it definitely doesn't have the bells and whistles that the PetSnowy does. While you can put a big litter catch tray outside of it, it doesn't change the fact that all the litter that's in it can easily be tracked out when the cats walk out of it. And the drum is not covered, so you definitely need to keep it away from walls, and if anything leans against it, that can cause an issue with the drum spinning. It's a much simpler machine. It also does not have a built-in fan, but you can add their purifier if you want to. Now, if my cats weren't so picky, I would say both of these are incredible options. I love that the PetSnowy has all the bells and whistles, and you really don't have to think about it at all. But I also love this small footprint of the PetKit, and that it is super easy to use, and you can even use standard trash bags in it if you want to. The PetKit wins in my household because that's the one both of my cats are willing to use, and in the end, if the cats aren't using it, it doesn't matter how many bells and whistles it has. But if you have a really well-behaved cat that never goes outside the litter box, both of these are fantastic options, and they will spoil you so much. You will never, ever want to go back to a manual litter pan after using an automatic litter box.